Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review slash first impressions of the new Morphe 24G palette. This is the Grand Glam palette. Absolutely obsessed with Morphe's new packaging. I love the cardboard. It's just so much easier to open, it just looks a lot better and feels a lot better. I did get sent all of their new packaging, but that went to Indiana where my parents live. So I haven't touched or played with any of those palettes yet. But I have this one because I have them in my new address. So I'm going to go ahead and use this in a tutorial. So if you guys will see when I open this, these are huge pans. So there's names that come with it. So there's huge pans. It says they're 2.5 or 2.2 times bigger than like normal pans of theirs. So this can be used on the eyes or the face. There's highlights, contour, bronzers, and then blushes as well. So for comparison, here's what a normal eyeshadow looks like, and you can see how much bigger it is. So this palette retails for $29, which I think is a good deal because those are huge pans. That's a lot of product that you get in this palette. It says you can wear them day or night, wet or dry. So it does say you can use these as highlighters and bronzers. It doesn't say anything about blushes, but I think there's a color in there that I can maybe use as a blush. So I already have my face done. I have foundation, concealer, and powder on in my brows. So I'm looking very matte and I'm looking very flat. So I'm going to go ahead and change that real quick. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead with this shade to contour with. This is called Baked. And for the brush, I'm going to use the Anastasia A7 brush. Ooh, that's pigmented. But it's a little bit warm for me. I guess this is going to be a contour slash bronzer and one for me. It blends out really nicely though, as you can see. It's a little warm. There's not really a cool toned eyeshadow or face color in this. The eyeshadows I feel like, or the powders I feel like are just maybe too pigmented. I don't recommend using like contour bronzer shades for someone who's like fair like me, because this is like way too warm. I mean, it doesn't look like horrible, but it does look too warm. It blended out nice, I guess. It could look better, but yeah, it's not too bad. I probably won't use it for bronzer or contour ever again. But with that being said, let me go ahead and move on to blush. So for blush, I'm going to grab this shade right here called Brassy. It looks a lot more pink in person than it does in camera. So I'm going to very lightly tap into that and also like maybe wipe it on my hand a little bit just so I don't have too much. I'm applying with a very soft brush too that will help make it not as intense. Oh my gosh, this is like so much color on my cheeks. I probably should have skipped blush. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm going to use Glazed from the palette as a highlighter. It actually looks really good for highlighter, actually. It looks nice and smooth and very... it doesn't look glittery at all, so I really like that. I don't see a cast when I look forward. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. So I already put foundation on my eyelids and set them with powder. Now I'm going to grab Flirty, which is this shade right here, and put this into my crease. Alright, now I'm going to grab the shade Glossy, and I'm going to put that all over the eyelid. And by the way, I did wet my brush a little bit so that it's more pigmented. Alright, I'm going to grab the shade Flirty and run that underneath the lower lash line. Alright, so the eyes are done, so I'm going to move on to lips, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a Morphe lipstick. This is a Morphe liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Brunch. It's a nice, warm liquid lipstick to go with this look. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this. So I do think this is a pretty cool palette since they are for your face and your eyes. And it's only $29. And you do get 24 big pans. These are huge. So I do think it will be worth the purchase of $29. There's a good range of cool tones and warm tones. Like I said before though, I don't know about the face shades for fair skin besides a highlighter. Yeah, they're pigmented, they blend out nice. I mean, all Morphe's eyeshadows are great, so can't complain there. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm watching you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Deuces.